Mga kaibigan, once again, good afternoon. No? Babalik ko tayo. Nasa alas 2 na ho yung oras natin. No? Pero advance to ha. Nasa mga 1:55 PM pa po, mga kaibigan. Unang-una sa lahat, mga kaibigan, tayo po'y magpapasalamat sa Diyos na kung saan ito po yung pagsasabihan natin ngayon ay patungkol ho ito sa Biblia. Patungkol ho ito sa mga sinasabi ho ng Biblia, mga kaibigan. Ama naming Diyos, tulungan niyo po ako, Ama, upang ito po'y mailalahad ko, Ama, sa mga katanungan po na ibinabato at itinatanong sa akin, Ama. Ako lang po'y magsasagot, Ama, sa pamagitan po ng iyong dakilang kaalaman na ibibigay po sa akin. Sa pamagitan po ng aming dakilang tagapagligtas na si Jesucristo. Amen. Mga kaibigan, itong sasabihin ko because I am not a theologian. I am not expert about Bible. I am not expert about everything, mga kaibigan, on this universe, no? I am not one of those experts. I am not one of those theologians, no? Kasi may mga nakikinig sa atin, ng mga maraming tao diyan na which is ano po sila, no? Masters, no? Mga expert in terms of the Bible's mga kaibigan. But in the Bible, mga kaibigan, yung itinatanong sa atin, if you cannot satisfied, and then go to for those who are in the theologians, mga kaibigan, because baka hindi ko po masasagot lahat. But ito po yung sasabihin ko, mga kaibigan. There is a 7 books which is ban, no? Yung biglang hindi pinapalutang sa mundong ibabaw na ito. No, mula sa Book of Enoch hanggang basta kay Book of Jubilee, Book of Mary Magdalene. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan, dami po, no, mga kaibigan. And also, ito yung sasabihin ko. It's all about the things which is God given the wisdom of all the people in this universe, mga kaibigan. Yung sasabihin ko po ay, ito po ay patungkol doon sa 12 apostles in 12 tribes and 12 legions and the 12 spies, no? Yung mga spy, and 72,000 angels and 144,000 people, which is the peoples of God, mga kaibigan, and with the 4 angels in the 4 corners of the earth, mga kaibigan. When we say 12 apostles, yung mga apostoles, mga kaibigan, it's readable in the Matthew, no? Matthew chapter 10, verse 1 to 4, and also readable in the Mark chapter 3, verse 14 to 19. It is a significance that the Jesus Christ will choose 12 apostles or the 12 disipulo, yung mga 12 ka disipulo, in order to symbolize into the 12 tribes. Mga kaibigan, ha? It's symbolized into 12 tribes. Yeah, ito po yung sinasabi. It is the tribes of the Israel in which representing which is the foundation of the new covenant, mga kaibigan, to spread the gospel of the Lord. So it is a symbolism that the 12 tribes is a completeness in the Israel land, mga kaibigan, in order to fulfill the divine order. So that is called a 12 apostles. And also in the 12 legions, it's called, kasi in 12 legions, mga kaibigan, it is readable also in the Matthew chapter 26 verse 53, that Jesus mentioned on that, mga kaibigan, that there is more than 12 legions. When the Jesus Christ, in the second coming of Jesus Christ, mayroong mag-una or yung unang mag-ano kay Jesus Christ is 72,000 angels, mga kaibigan. When you say 72,000 angels, it representing also into the 12 legions. In 1 legions, there is 6,000 soldiers. So if you read in that, mga kaibigan, that this based on this it is a protections to Jesus Christ coming on this the second coming of this universe, mga kaibigan. Jesus mentioned in more than 12 legions of angels that could to be sent first before Jesus Christ nabababa, mga kaibigan. Because in one legions in the Roman terms, it was about in 6,000 soldiers. So it's called 72,000 angels. And also, mga kaibigan, when we see the 12 tribes, it is all about the representing the 12 tribes. The 12 tribes of Israel, it should be readable in the Genesis chapter 49, mga kaibigan. And the numbers in chapter 1 to chapter 1 verse 1 to 44. It is a significance through the nations of the Israel descended from the Jacob, mga kaibigan, no? Jacob and the 12 sons that representing each to the 12 tribes in its own land and to rule the open pointing with the God's covenant faithfulness, mga kaibigan. So, just to go on in the 12 spy. The 12 spy, mga kaibigan, it's all about yung kay Caleb at sa kay Joshua, kung may 12 ka spy doon, it's representing, it's all the numbers will be representing the 12 tribes of Israel, which is God mentions. But the 12 spies here will be readable in the numbers, which is chapter 13, verse 1 to 16, that the Moses, or the significance that the Moses was sent 12 spies to scout in the land of Canaan. Mga kaibigan, only Joshua and Caleb will be brought faithfully to report the illustrating faith, mga kaibigan, in which, mga kaibigan, it is the symbolized in the Jesus Christ faithfulness, mga kaibigan. In the symbolizes into the completeness and the God's plan of the Israel. So that's why, mga kaibigan, when we say 72,000 angels, it is all about in the readable in Revelations. Mga kaibigan, mababasa po ito in the Revelations chapter 7 verse 1 to 8. Mga kaibigan, that I mentioned earlier that in one legions there is 6,000 angels, or the 6,000 soldiers, if I'm not mistaken, in the Roman, mga kaibigan, illustrations. But here, in the 72,000 angels, ito po, bago darating ang pangalawang pagbabalik ni Hesukristo dito sa lupa, it should be, mayroong umuna sa kanya, which is to guard the Jesus Christ in the second coming of this universe. 72,000 angels. No, 72,000 angels, mga kaibigan. And it representing into 72 symbolized into 72 nations in which is a 72 elders nations, mga kaibigan. It is symbolized that the Jesus Christ will be selected on this, mga kaibigan. It should be to readable in Luke chapter 10, mga kaibigan. So, it's representing these angels. Ito po yung magwardya ni Hesukristo sa pangalawa niyang pagbabalik dito sa lupa. It should be the heavenly army and guardian of the Jesus Christ when second coming to the earth, mga kaibigan. That is the God's plan, mga kaibigan. So that is the biggest contributions that the Bible, mga kaibigan, no? Yung Biblia ho ay hindi po yun basta-basta. Kahit ano pa yung sasabihin natin, kung gusto ka po na magiging masamang tao ka, doon sa Biblia, nasa Biblia po lahat. And then, 144,000 people's God, meaning it is selected. Saan po ito kinukuha? mga kaibigan. In the 12 tribes, it's equivalent to in one tribe in 12,000. No? 12,000 people were selected by God. Ito po yung mga entrusted niya. Hanggat hindi pa ito masisilihan lahat, meaning mamamarkahan ang kanilang mga noo in the heavenly divine, mga kaibigan, hindi pa ho babalik si Jesucristo. Lahat ng nangyayari po sa mundong ibabaw na ito, papasimula pa lang po, mga kaibigan. Kasi pag ang edad ni mo karon 50 or 80 ka karon, mga kaibigan, in God's, kasi sa Ginoo, sa Diyos, one day is equivalent to 1,000 years. Yung edad po natin ngayon, nasa yung 50 years old ngayon sa in the human, nasa 1 hour pa lang yan sa Diyos. Kaya, ang tagal na babalik po ang Diyos, mga kaibigan. Tagal pa po, mga kaibigan. So that's why, 144,000 people's God selected. In Revelation chapter 7 verse 4 to 8. Chapter 14 in the Revelation verse 1 to 5. It is significance representations in the full perfect number of God's plan on this universe, mga kaibigan. It is a servant of God. 144,000 people were be selected. It is symbolized to the numbers of 144,000 is equivalent to 12 tribes times 12 times 1,000. So that is, mga kaibigan, kayo na, because I am not expert to be ganun ho, mga kaibigan. So it is a divine perfections and also will be guarded by the whole universe in the four corners of the earth, will be guarded by 4 angels. Mga kaibigan, 4 angels. 4 angels po ang nagwardya sa atin, mga kaibigan, sa 4 corners of the earth. And the second video, kasi may nagtatanong ho dito, I am not expert ha, because I am not one of those, yung mga tinatawag ho natin na eksperto po sa Biblia, because I am not enrolling through the completions of the theology. I never been talking here to be an expert, to be a master of the Bible. But if you understand the Bible in the God's wisdom, mga kaibigan, masasabi po natin to, mga kaibigan. Kailan pa, no? Pumarito po ang Diyos. Pumarito po ang Diyos, mga kaibigan, sa 3 beses. Kasi, kung makikita ho natin, di ba? 3 beses na po pumunta ang Diyos dito sa lupa. Kung alam lang po ninyo. Kung alam lang po natin. Yung una pong pumunta po ang Diyos dito sa lupa, yung the first creations of the human, which is our mother and father, which is the Eden and Eve, mga kaibigan. And then, di ba, in the Garden of Eden. And then, the second coming, or yung pangalawang pumarito po ang Diyos, yung bumisita siya. No, mababasa po yan sa Biblia. Yung pangatlong pumarito po ang Diyos through the Jesus Christ. Through the Jesus Christ, nagpakatao siya in order to experience the human significance. Kung ano po yung bation ba, kung tao lang ka. Kasi you are the most powerful among all. And then, that is all. Pangatlo. Kaya, mayroong tinatawag na the second coming of Jesus Christ. When Jesus Christ, di ba, ipakatao siya ni Maria, di ba? So, yung pangalawang pagbabalik niya, mga kaibigan, that is the final judgment of the earth. Di ba? Kung mababasa ho natin, ang dami ho, mga kaibigan. Kasi, when we're talking about Satan, we are all using Satan now in this universe. We are now, because dealing with the numbers. If you are talking about, you are not, so, that is very bad. I am not talking a religion here. I am not talking that my religion is perfect, my life is perfect. It is not all about that. It is all about how do we to read and to be life this universe, mga kaibigan. Yan lang po, mga kaibigan. Sapagkat to, pagsasabihin natin, ito raw yung anong religion ko, hindi po yan. That is only for advertising and perfectionists. So that's why, yung nasasabi ko po, babasahin na lang po ninyo sa Biblia. Pero, yung mga, because there is a lot, mga kaibigan, kasi, kaya binaha, no, ang buong sanlibutan during the, naman yan, panahon ni Noah, mga kaibigan, because of yung mga higanti, this 24 fingers, no, mga kaibigan, including yung kamot nila, unom-unom, so 12 plus sa tiil, unom, 24 fingers yung mga higanti, mga tao, no? That's why kung makikita ho natin yung mga building of Pyramid of Egypt, yung mga Stonehenge, ganon. Ang lalaki ng mga ganon, di ba? Hindi yan pero binubuhat lang yan ng iilang tao noon sapagkat ang dami pong lalaki nila. Yung last po, di ba? Yung mga descendant ni Goliath, ang dami po, no? Lalaki po yung tinalo ni David, no? Yung tinitirador lang ni David, mga kaibigan. Yan, mga kaibigan, in the God's grace, mga kaibigan. Kasi yung mga tinatawag, why the people in this universe was nakabaluta about education, kabaluta about infrastructures, constructions, and many others was also, mga kaibigan, will be added into the human civilizations in order to create the money, in order to transform from the people businesses, mga kaibigan. It is all about Anunnaki. It's all about Anunnaki. That you are going to read the book of wisdom, in the book of Enoch, in the book of Jubilee, and many others. You read on that, mga kaibigan. Mababasa po natin dyan lahat. So that's why, and everything in this universe will be happen. Kaya yung bakit ang tao pumapatay ng tao, di ba? Bakit ang tao naiinggit sa kanyang kapwa-tao? Bakit ang tao pag palagi pumapasok ng simbahan, parang siya na yung maliligtas, ganun? It's all about the human civilized in the highly civilizations of the humanity in this universe was being teaching by the Anunnaki accordingly. We cannot know how to plant, we cannot know about agricultural infrastructures and engineering and many others in about education, mga kaibigan, if this teaching by Anunnaki, without this, accordingly. So that's why there is a lot of people out there will be not knowing of this, mga kaibigan. While the people knowing about law, knowing about criminal investigations, doctors, engineering, architect, buildings, many others infrastructures in this universe, is a extraterrestrial agreement also will be developed and also will be by Anunnaki, which is all about yung mga higanti. Why I am telling right now here that I am not expert about the Bible, because Bible, which is the Protestant Bible, it's all about 66 books. Mga kaibigan, yung Protestant Bible, this is all about 66 books. And Catholic will be using for 76 books. And also the Orthodox will be using for 79 to 85 books, mga kaibigan. Ang dami po, di ba? And Protestant Bible right now will be using for many pastors and out there will be, mga kaibigan, ano po, no? Ano po sila? It's all about it's all about 31,102 verses in 1,189 chapters accordingly. So it is all about mga kaibigan, So, yan lang po ang masasabi natin dito. Big shout out kay Sir Bunares. Hindi nagpapakita ito sa akin kahapon when I was in Samal because I am attending for the Sabbath church because doon kami nagsimba together with the elder brother of Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustiliboco, mga kaibigan. Hindi to nagpapakita sa akin kahapon. It is because hindi po siya siguro because I am asking for lapu-lapu. No? I need lapu-lapu. Not literally lapu-lapu. It is lapu-lapu na yung isda. Oh. Kasi sarap ng maghigop og sabaw ba. Pero hindi to. Si Pialan, hindi nagpapakita. Ito si ano. Mabuti pa yon si Espanyola because JR, yung pumunta po kami doon sa the sport fest of the court in the Davao del Norte was held by in Samal from it is all about 2 days, no? 28 to 27, 28, mga kaibigan, because 29 it is our Sabbath race, mga kaibigan, when God create, no? So yan po, mga kaibigan, kasi itong bakit importante itong Sabbath, yung Sabado. Kasi buong Biblia po, magbabasahin ninyo, wala dyan Domingo diha giingon sa Ginoo. Ang giingon dyan diha Sabado. Pero wala po diha nagingon nga maoning religion na ang mag-anog Sabado. Maonoy maluwas po. Wala po nag-ingon diha. It's all about talking about Bible. Because there is no biblical text na ito religion maura na maluwas. Wala giingon inana. No, wala na siya giingon. So that's why if you go on for our further discussions, because pumunta po kami, bakit doon kami nagsimba kapon? It is because we are attending also in the 14th birthday of Deshan Lawrence Comendador, which is the nephew. And the first baby was planted by Peacemaker here in Region 11, and second baby of the Philippines, I think, will be natauran og Peacemaker, which is the battery sa kasing-kasing. So that's why, mga kaibigan, the advent of the technology and the science of technology, mga kaibigan, will be help to the human civilized and also to help the human life. So that's why hindi ito nagpapakita. Big shout out Sir Bunares and also Holy Cabalbon. Sino man to si Holy Cabalbon? So big shout out sa inyong lahat, especially throughout the Philippines, the peoples of God. Why calling the peoples of God? Especially the law enforcement officer in this country who are serving the people of this universe. Abu bin Adim, no, mga kaibigan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much po sa ating lahat. It is because very important to know that we are all unique, especially that we are not serving by our tribes, our custom and traditions. We are not serving by the people who are the business tycoons and the oligarchs out there, and the certain people who are powerful and most influential in this universe. And we are not serving also the people of the Philippines, but we are serving all the Philippine constitutions in this country, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much, the peoples of God entrusted to the law of enforcement, especially the PNP personnel, the men and uniform of this country. Thank you so much, especially the peoples of the Davao del Norte Provincial Police Office, mga kaibigan, in our police director, in the name of Police Colonel Christine, sir, good afternoon, and also to all the stations in Davao del Norte, mga kaibigan, under of the thermal base, no, it is the Samal, Island Garden City of Samal, the Panabo, Carmen, Santo Tomas, San Isidro, ano pa, Talaingod, New Correlia, Asuncion, Kapalong, Tagum City, which is our mentor. as a radio operator for her 1 year almost, mga kaibigan. And many others, especially to all the Philippines, throughout the Philippines, mga kaibigan, especially Region 11. So, no, yung pagputok natin ng simulator, Sir Bonares, hindi po yun bibihira lang yun. Parang totoong baril pa lang, no, mga kaibigan, pag pinuputok ko natin, totoong baril. Kasi may ano pa rin siya, no? Parang sa baril ba, pag pinuputok ko natin. Yung iba nga katatlo sila, kaapat, 5 beses sila nagre-retake. Kasi pag sinasight mo, pag hindi mo yun na puruhan, wala kang score. Ang buti na lang yun sa sa simulator, mga kaibigan, just by the way, kasi may nagtatanong dito. Ang buti lang doon ay iwas gastos bala. At automatic may score na. Unlike doon sa live ammo, yung gagamitin, yung iba, maro, di ba? Tusukog bulpin. So, ganun mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much sa Sir Bano also. PSSG Bano. Wow! Thank you so much. In the God grace, Sir Bano was being promoted also as a PSSG. Wow! The first person of God in Kasanga family members, mga kaibigan, that's promoted to be a PSSG. How about Acer Española, no? Nakikita po natin to. Busing. So yan. Si Sir Bonares also is nasa schooling po ito nang nag-GGLC na yata to, no? Mga kaibigan, kasi they are going to promote it. For me, kasi may nagtatanong, hindi pa po, wala pa po ako na promote. And the God grace will be promoted me, and then that's the time. Antayin ko na lang po yung mahuhulog yung hinog na bayabas. Hindi lang po ako magbabayabas doon, no? Because I'm taking an oath to serve the Filipino people. I am not taking to oath to serve everyone out there, mga kaibigan. So that's why, mga kaibigan, no? Thank you so much sa tanong po. So, just to review it, just to read the Bible, if you want to read everything about this universe, read the Bible first. Before you reading the Bible, and then tayo po'y manalangin sa Diyos. And also, if you are reading to serve the Filipino people here in the country, in the advance of law, mga kaibigan, just read for the Philippine Constitution first, and then read for the criminal law, the criminal jurisprudence, the criminal procedures, mga kaibigan. Because right now, mga kaibigan, there is an advent of the, especially in the under of yung mga nag-schooling ng investigation dyan, no, mga kaibigan, yung mga matatalinong tao. I'm very, very snappy salute to all of you, especially to all the investigators. Because hindi po natin kaya yung mga utak ng mga investigator, no, that they are filing the case. Those people who are against the law, mga kaibigan, no? Ang dami po. Mayroon tayong remedial law, tariff law, taxation law, international law, political law, and many others out there. I think Sir Ambrosio, Attorney Ambrosio will be one of these more expert about law of the land. Because Philippine Constitutions is the fundamental laws of the land. No? Fundamental laws of the land, which is the Bible of the country. Because there are two elected or there are two, no, by the way, may dalawa lang po na nagtratrabaho sa gobyerno. It is elected by law and appointed by law. Who are those elected by law? It should be done by the elections. Mababasa pa rin yan sa Biblia. Those people who are under of the appointed law, those people are working, not done by elections. You can understand on it, mga kaibigan. Because police power, it is power under of the eminent power. But the three branches of the government, under of the Philippine Constitutions was the most very categorized, characterized, and very mandated, mga kaibigan. So that's why we will be going to salute in every judges out there. Because that is under of the judiciary. No? Kung sasabihin po natin, the most salute people in this universe, walang iba ho. Yung nasa judiciary, nasa legislative, nasa executive. Because police power is given as eminent power, power of taxations, and how many? Diba? There are two. There are three, diba? Eminent power, police power, ganun. Power of eminent domain, ganun. Doon lang po. That is mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. But we are going to mandated by the law of God. Yan lang po, mga kaibigan, masasabi natin. Na tayo lang po yung manalangin sa Diyos. So, thank you so much. Happy Sunday po sa lahat. But if you are not to be satisfied what I am talking here, and then go to the expert, mga kaibigan. Go to the expert, especially the theologians, yung mga pari, no? Ganun, mga bright sa Biblia. But, if you want, purchase the Bible, buy the Bible, read the Bible. I am not one of those expert, one of those brilliant in the Bible, no? Ako lang po'y nagbabasa for almost how many years. Basta, ang buhay lang po ay nasa Diyos. Mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat. Kaya, yung nasasabi ho natin, mayroong isang, ito po masasabi ko, no? Mayroong isang matanda at may dalawang, baso ba, cup. Yung isa ay may bitak at yung basag yung itaas. Ang isa kompleto. Walang bitak, walang basag. And then, ito po yung kanyang ginagamit araw-araw para magdilig doon sa kanyang mga halaman sa hardin. So, it is after niya madiligan, lahat, pag-uwi niya, yung banga, di ba? Hakutan niyang tubig. Then, one day, yung may bitak na baso, mga kaibigan, which is the cup, parati na lang, no? Manang permi na lang matunga pa kay naman siya mag-agas man permente. Nya buak pag yun ang itaas basag ba. Nya na pag siya bitak so magtagas yun. And then one day gibutang ra siya sa iyang katong naistorya ang baso. Nya na ang baso. Gipangutanan niya ang Ginoo. Ginoo nganong imo man kong gigamit nga dili man ko kumpleto. Di ba? Nganong imo man ko nakapangutana ang baso. Makasulti din ng baso, di ba? Nakapangutana ang baso. Buak pag niya akong itaas, naapag ko'y liki, naapag busot, magtagas yun ang tubig. Di yun siya mapuno. No? Unsay giingon? Sa katong tigulang. Wa ba ka kahibalo? Tungod sa buak ka ng bitak, nagtagas ang tubig, naay niturok nga orchids, ug nabuhi siya. O karon gidaladala kini sa tigulang maski asa. Kay kini nga orchids dalag sa onra. Nabuhi siya tungod sa bitak nga nagtagas. So, in short, kahit hindi tayo matalino, kumpleto man tayo o hindi, basta Diyos, basta nasa Diyos, basta nasa puso natin, tayo'y magtrabaho ng matitino. Tayo'y magtrabaho kahit hindi man tayo matalino. No, mga kaibigan. Kasi yung iba, dili ko ana nga position, it is because di ko bright. Lahat po yan matutunan if we are emptying our glass. Pero magsinipsip ka, maski pagpuno ka, pagkayabo nimo, yabo ka diyan. Maski asa ta, kining mga sipsip nga tao, kining mga daotang tao na agni sa palibot. Tungod sa kainggit sa tao, mopatay og tao. Tungod sa kasuko sa tao, mopatay tao. Tungod sa kasuko sa tao, tungod sa kagutom sa tao, mangawat ang tao. Mangdaot ang tao. Dilibot pasabot nga dili ta kumpleto, di ta gamiton sa Ginoo. Ang Ginoo daghan og gipanggamit nga dili mga kumpleto. So ganon. In the God grace, all these things in this universe was given either if we are thinking that we are not perfect. Yes, we are not perfect. But we are not to disobey the commandments of God. Yan lang po mga kaibigan. So, dami no? Daming mga ano sa lupang to. So, thank you so much mga kaibigan. Once again, good afternoon. Magandang araw po sa lahat mga kaibigan, especially for the people of Egypt, the people of Italy, and many others mga kaibigan. No? Buongiorno. And also mga kaibigan, thank you so much for all the people in the universe, to all the people, all the OFW in Middle East countries, United States of America, and many others in China. And also mga kaibigan, once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh mga kaibigan, syukran.